Mama! Mama! Mama!
Oh, sweetheart, are you lost? I know where your mommy is. Come on.
Okay. Is Mama coming?
What's the matter, Cole? Scared? You should be. This is our turf. You don't belong here. Get lost. Yeah, before we make you.
Hendrix checks this room in 4 minutes. You want to explain the bruise?
Thanks.
Don't make it a thing. I wasn't trying to help you.
Your file says you speak 3 languages: Mandarin, Spanish, and English. Self-taught.
4. I picked up some French from one of the night staff.
I run a program, academic, for exceptional kids who've fallen through.
You're not a social worker,
No.
and it's not an academic program.
No, but it's better than here, and you'd be very good at it.
What do I have to do?
Leave a message or don't. I'll figure it out.
Mom, what is that?
Sit down. Mom, please. Before you. We had a daughter. Her name was Naomi. She was 3 when we lost her. We searched for years. The police found a body. They said it was her. We buried it. Then I got a call this morning. A detective. The body, they did a retest. It wasn't hers.
What?
Which means somewhere, Naomi might still...
Okay. Okay, Mom. It's okay. Everything is gonna be okay.
You know something about Zara.
Sienna,
I can see it on your face. You've been deciding whether to tell me since the first week.
I was in foster care, a group home called St. Augustus. I was 12. It was the kind of place where you learn to disappear. There was a girl. She was 7 when I got there. Tiny. But she wasn't scared of anything. She tracked everything. Staff moods, who was lying, where things were kept. She kept the little kids from getting hurt.
Zara?
She called herself Zara then, too. I don't know if that's actually her name. I think she got recruited. While I was still there, a woman would come once in a while to call on the kids they saw were exceptional. She would say she ran an academic program. Most of us knew it wasn't that.
What was it?
I don't know exactly, but I think she was trained, Sienna. The way she watches things, moves, that's not just street instinct.
She knew who I was before she walked into this school.
How long have you been planning this?
Longer than you want to know.
Was any of it real?
Some of it.
She's going to get hurt.
I know.
That doesn't bother you?
It bothers me more than everything else.
I missed you. After I got adopted, I came back for you, but I didn't see you.
Don't.
I'm just saying.
I know. Don't. I have to go.
Zara.
Martin,
I know.
do you think she's...
I don't know. I think we need to...
Don't do anything yet, please. Not yet.
Hi. You shouldn't be here. Yeah, that's your thing to say right now. I know, okay? I saw the photo. I know about the case. I know you knew who I was before you ever walked into that school.
Sienna.
Don't do the voice. Don't. I knew before I transferred. I had been watching your family for almost 2 years. I knew your mom's schedule and your dad's routes, and I knew your locker number before you were assigned to it. I knew because they're my family, not yours.
Say all of it.
My name is Naomi. I was 3. I followed a balloon and someone took me. My parents looked for 3 years and then they stopped. They buried someone else and called it done.
They didn't move on. That's not fair.
They adopted you. I was still out there. I was alive. And they needed me to be dead because it was easier. Because they could hold a funeral and grieve a body and move forward. And they did.
They didn't know.
They chose not to demand a DNA test because they needed it to be over. I was 14 years old in a group home, and my parents had already replaced me.
And me. Was any of it?
I didn't expect you.
What?
I thought you'd be, I don't know, easy to hate. I thought I could walk in there and feel nothing. But you're a lot. Okay, you're a genuinely annoying amount to deal with, and I wasn't ready for that.
Was any of it real?
The studying was fake. The candle, I staged it. The grade, the car, the note I sent you. That was all me.
Zara.
The rest was real.
What happens now? I don't know. I had a plan up to this part. Of course you did.
Don't talk. Whatever she says, don't.
Who is
Sienna!
Well, this is more interesting than I expected. You deviated. I handled it. You got emotionally compromised. There's a significant difference.
Who are you?
Someone who invested considerable resources in your friend. And I'm starting to think that investment is complicated.
This has nothing to do with the assignment.
The assignment was to access the Calloway family files and obtain documentation from the father's home office. Specific records. Records that certain people have paid very well to acquire.
My dad's files?
Martin Calloway didn't build his fortune on property alone, sweetheart. He brokered something in 2011 that several people would very much prefer stayed buried. Much like misplaced little girls.
She's trying to make you react. Don't.
Did you use the fact that she was looking for her family to...
I gave her purpose, resources, a home.
Don't call it that.
You. Diane.
You know her?
She was the social worker. When Naomi went missing, she was assigned to our case. She was the one who told us to stop looking.
Naomi.